Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical and valid question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that the bulls made a very nice move. Now, yeah, there was quite a bit of a pullback late day, but still when you compare where the price actually was, down around this area of the chart to where it ultimately closed, like I said, I think we can all agree that, yeah, the bulls did make some progress today. There's no doubt about that. Which leads us to the question, is there any sort of true power behind this progress? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just simply some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce that's happened after the reverse split that went into effect today? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that level is down here at the $1.70 mark. Why is the $1.70 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, something that is the start of something bigger, well, the price is going to progress forward. The price isn't going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction, right? I mean, if it's going forward, it can't be going back to where it was. I'm assuming I state the obvious when I say that. So with that in mind, think about this level down here at $1.70. Any sort of closes below it, or worse if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range where it was before the big breakout happened. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here a little bit more, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps starting to make progress in the upwards direction. Now, I fully realize that if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 15 minutes of buying, then yeah, for you could care less about this. But my point here, and who I'm addressing, is those that care about the big picture of things. So if I do sound crazy calling this, saying that the bulls have a chance, my guess would be, you just had a much different strategy and perspective going into the trade. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, all about the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average, and you can see that's exactly where the price struggled with it today. So anyway you slice it, though, very, very nice price movement today on the bulls' part. Now the question just transitions to, is this the start of something bigger or not? We shall see if the bulls can make progress next week or not. And again, I'm defining and quantifying the term progress as $1.70 and staying up above it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.